I like electronics, but somehow spend more time a little bit up from it. But I like small electronics, which is cheap, and I'm going to talk about a kind of computer. So the question is, what is a computer? Anyone knows what a computer is? You only think you know what a computer is. A computer doesn't need to run Windows, okay? Or Linux. Alright? So Google has a definition of computer. I don't know where they stole it.
Video problem.
Yes. Oh yes. So, similar problem like before. Yes.
The computers need batteries.
Yes. It's a real computer. So we're going to do the same thing we did last time. We're just talking about the slides. So a computer is something which takes electronic signals in, all right, and it processes these signals or information, and it gives something out. That is really all a computer does, and that's the definition, according to Google, about what a computer does. And if you think about that, that is very simple. Okay, you type something, something happens, it comes out, you can see it, right? And so let's think about IoT. That's a device sitting somewhere. It doesn't have a lot of input. Maybe you can send something to it and it gives something back. But that's still a computer, right? And the computer in the cloud, we run VPS, we run Linux, we run whatever we think we need to run. But these things are humongously big because you virtualize everything in virtual containers. And what I'm talking about here is a small operating system, which is not an operating system, where you don't have a virtual container, but you have a physical container, which is more secure. And that's a hardware device. It's about $2 US, and you can implement a computer on this. And so, while it's booting up, you're going to get to see the last slide, I think. What I implement is a small language where you interact with this thing. You can program this thing. So it's a unikernel. Anyone knows what a unikernel is? So a unikernel is in principle a computer which speaks one language. So let's say that we implement a computer which speaks, take your favorite language, Python for example. If the only way you can interact with this computer and program it is using Python, you can in principle think of it as a computer, a virtual computer that speaks Python. Isn't that funny? So at any level of a computer, the way you interact with a computer, the way you program a computer, unless you're doing it on the hardware level, you're really just talking to something which is a virtual computer, because you never talk to a real computer. That is hex code, and that is almost impossible, to interact with, right? So we always make layers. We make it more interesting or more easy to talk to it. So a computer in the cloud, what would that be? Well, that would be a computer where you send something to it and get something back. And what is our way of talking to a computer in the cloud? Well, through a web server. It's the simplest. A REST call is a URL. You give some data in. And here's actually a example. I don't know how you could catch that. Okay. Here's my presentation. We have 1 minute. It's loading in from a web, so it's going to take time. But in any case, this language is very simple implementation. The program runs. It doesn't have variables. It doesn't have functions necessarily, but it expands to macros. And that makes it a very simple language. So, it's in-out, right? It's all in-out thing, as Monty Python says. All right? We have unikernel, we have languages of software, and here's an example of a program in this language. All right? You want to generate HTML. Macro is /. That is the function being called, and it's actually the interface to your web. And you can call it, and it can generate data. Here is how it evaluates. We don't care about that. Here is a REST call, where we create a web page, we type in the name, and here is the last line is a handler for that web page, which takes your input. This is how simple the web should be, right? You don't need a web server. The web server is the simplest thing on the web. The most difficult thing is to build software. So if we look at software, in this language, I implemented an API browser, distributed hash table, a wiki. The wiki is 20 lines of code in my language. User identity, the log in and log out, is used as encryption, and salt as 8 lines. All right? The whole thing is implemented in 1870 lines of C code.
Your 5 minutes of fame are over.
Any questions?
It is trash night. Please take the trash out you love will have for you.
You consider it a longer password? It's only like 6 characters.
No, 8. And it's one word repeated in English. But this is an insecure computer. So I don't care about the password because anything on this computer is actually on my GitHub account. So this is a disposable computer. It's a X61, one of those disposable ones. You can change it, and that's all you need, right? Any other questions? All right. This is called JML. It's on the YESCO GitHub account. So, yeah.